YouTube channel, and if you're here for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my updates. So today guys, I'm going to be talking about, I'll be going to do a full tutorial on the Coingecko. Coingecko is like has some sort of features such as Coingecko. It's you go there to kind of get market analysis and track any cryptocurrency data which you like. And without saying much, I'm just going to go straight and we're going to read a little about the Coingecko. You can see here, Coingecko was founded in 2014 by TM Lee, CEO, and Bobby Ong, COO, with a mission to democratize the access of crypto data and empower users with actionable insights. We also deep dive into the crypto space to deliver valuable insights to our users through our cryptocurrency reports, as well as our publications, newsletters, and more. So you can see 2014, that was when Coingecko launches to provide 360 overview of the crypto market. 2017, crypto reports, launching its quarterly crypto report. 2018, Coingecko launches its daily newsletter. 2019, Trust Score. Coingecko launches Trust Score to combat fake exchange volume data. 2020. So right here you can see the roadmap of what Coingecko has been doing, and you can see the numbers speak for themselves. Coingecko is the world's largest independent cryptocurrency data aggregator with over 11,000 plus different crypto assets tracked across more than 60 plus exchanges worldwide. 200 million plus page views, 10 million plus out here. So you can read all about it, and that is that. So without saying much, I'm just going to go straight into the app and show you guys what the user interface looks like. So we are here in the app. Right at this top right here where you have the bell icon, if you click it, this is where your alerts is being set. This is where you see all the alerts of every cryptocurrency that you set. Here is a kindly reminder, just like the Coingecko diamond, you get alerts every 24 hours and you claim it and you earn it. Now this is the user, this is the face, this is the home page. I can set yours to be whatever you wish it to be. I set it to be top 100. If you want to change that, you can come over here, and if you touch it, you can set it to be all coins, top 300, recently added, gambling. You can go to categories and you can add any category you wish to add. Artificial AI, which is currently trending. I think I'm going to be using that for the sake of this video. And then you can go over here to categories. Now here, you know, in categories, you get to see the gambling, insurance, synthetic analysis, liquid staking, artificial storage. These categories complies of all the categories there are in the DeFi and crypto space. So if you come over here at this part is the exchange part where you get to see your top and favorite exchanges, and just give a little time to load, with Binance being number one, of course, Coinbase on number two, OKX number three, Kraken number four, KuCoin number five. And you can see their trust scores right here, 10 over 10, 10 over 10. And as you go lower, you're going to see the trust scores of all the exchanges drops. So guys, if you come over here, you will see the derivatives chamber. Let me use the word chamber, or so here you can see, here you get to see the volume of derivatives traded on your favorite exchanges. You can come here to pick at this part to pick the kind of derivatives that you want. So that is that about that. If you come over here at the top, sorry guys, if you come over here at the top, that is where the Coingecko candies are. And right here you claim this every 24 hours, and the good use of this is that you can use it to earn rewards. If I head over to browse rewards, you can see that there are many rewards that I can use these candies to claim. You can use them to claim as much as airdrops and NFTs and as well as books that can teach you DeFi. Yeah, you can get coupons to purchase subscription plans, etc., etc. If we head over here, you can see my rewards. Yeah, this is the part where you get to see the rewards which you have claimed. So yeah, if you come over here at candy history, this is the part where all the candies you've been claiming, the history, the day, the time, and when you claimed the NFTs, etc., etc. So heading back, if you come over here at the bottom, you can see my portfolio, search and explore. If you move to my portfolio, hold on guys while it loads. This is where you get to this my portfolio helps you track your transactions without having to go to all the exchanges where you actually have those currencies purchased and stored. So you get to track their percentage move, if they're in red or if they're in blue, if they're in green. And if you come over here at the search icon, this is where you get to search any currency that you intend to search. This is my search history right here. This is what I searched in the last 12 hours. And trending search, you have the USDC based on the current news of the pegging of USDC and ACS protocol. You have the UAT. These are trending searches. These searches can also be alphas. So yeah, do with them whatever you wish. Then if you come over here at the explore section, this is where you get to learn more about cryptocurrency, read news and know what's happening in the day to day, and know what's happening in this crypto space day to day. If you come over at this learn section, you get to learn about your favorite topics, your favorite currencies, your favorite category of the crypto, and everything there is to know about DeFi. They also have the section for podcasts. You have the Libran, the next generation Web3 games. So yeah, you come to join podcasts where they talk about new currencies coming up, or here they come to share their ideas or opinions on some DeFi analysis or cryptocurrency projects and protocols that they have been following. And here you can come up at the newsletter section. So yeah guys, it has loaded, and if you move in here, you get to go through the newsletters and subscribe. You can come here to their blog section right here, and then you can go through their blogs, etc., etc. The beautiful thing is that creating an account with Coingecko is totally free. So you can go ahead and create your own free Coingecko account and start claiming candies, analyzing your favorite coins, and so on and so forth. So guys, that'll be that for today. Do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss my next video. See you.